Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Honda Odyssey, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2017. If you guys have one of those and you have a problem where your right headlight does not work, you need to check the fuses for the right headlight. You may have up to 2 fuses. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located, where you can buy cheap fuses and relays from. That way you don't waste your money, and why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure to stay until the end. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. If you guys have a Honda Odyssey, that generation from year 2011 all the way to year 2017, guys, we will make a video about every single fuse, every relay. Why? Because in the manual sometimes it's not clear what the fuses relays are for. Okay, it could say something like FI. How do you know that this is the fuel injection, but actually it's for the fuel pump? So we're going to make video for every single fuse, every relay, because most of you will eventually even lose your manuals and they're not clearly written, guys. We're doing that to save you time and money. So if you need to find a fuse and you're down the road, let's say you need to find the engine starter fuse, all you have to do, just search for it. 1 second, the video pops out and you can find which fuse you need to check. Another thing now, guys, we're constantly working here at the garage on cars, constantly taking things apart, and we make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage. We have more than 1.2 million subscribers on our channels, guys. Check it out if you need help with mechanical work, body work, anything like that, it will be there. Now, something else, guys. Relays, fuses, okay, they could be really expensive. You have special fuses. You can see like the JK's fuses. You have mini blade fuses, multi-fuse box, okay, and these fuses could be really expensive. So guys, we're going to show you those are Honda specific fuses that can be really hard to find, or they can cost you a lot of money. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a good price and quick shipping as well. So let's go ahead and continue now. So the right headlight fuses, guys, okay, where it's located now. So we're going to come right here, demonstrate you on a 2015 Honda Odyssey. You guys have 5 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to open the fuse box that's located under the hood, and here we have 2. Okay, 1, 2, that's a secondary fuse box, the little one. You don't need this one, we need just that one here. So if we zoom in a little bit, you'll see the fuse box cover here. You open that cover, you're going to see a fuse box layout that looks just like this one. Now before we continue, guys, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So 2 fuses you will need to check for the right headlight. If you come in that column right here, in that row, excuse me, of fuses, guys, you're going to notice that that second fuse, that's fuse number 20, 1920, that 10 amp fuse is the one that you will need to check. Let me zoom in again. Okay, we're talking about that fuse right here. Then you have one more fuse, guys, so that's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, that fuse number here, 26. So fuse number 20 and fuse number 26 will need to be checked, guys, for the right headlight. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.